Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Brad with Brad Unboxing. Today I get to open a special piece because it is actually a birthday gift that I received from my husband. On top of it being a birthday gift, it is also the largest piece that I own to date, and it is an SCS piece. SCS does stand for Swarovski Crystal Society. So this piece was specifically made for those who are collectors and members of the SCS program. It is a membership that you can sign up for and pay your dues. Part of the perks of being a member is you do get your own Swarovski membership card to the society. You get admission to the Swarovski Museum that's in Austria, as well as some other perks and bonuses to include free gifts throughout the year and early notice on any good sales that are going on. So I'd like to show you the box. As you can see, I do have it labeled because Swarovski does do the double boxing, which I really do like. On the outside box, I do like to put my label of the date and where I got it. Right now, being here in Hawaii, which is where my husband is stationed with the Army. And as you can see, it does say SCS and then Swarovski around on the sides. And then on the front, you can see it says Arcadia, that being the name of this piece. So let me go ahead and get it out of its box. Here is the nice non-marked up double box. Again, that is my favorite that Swarovski does. I like that they have the outer box and the inner box, so that way for the outer box, you don't have to worry about that getting too damaged or anything done to it because there's always the inner box. Pull that off. A cool piece with these SCS Annual Editions is you do get this little card from the company, and it is actually on behalf of the designer. The designer of this piece is actually Martin Zendrons, and so this is just a little story about the piece and kind of a thank you for purchasing it. And of course, as always, you have your Swarovski booklet. This is kind of like your certificate of authenticity. In addition to the box and the other pieces, this goes over your warranty as well as some other items that could be potentially needed for you as a purchaser. I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves, which I did receive as part of this purchase. As you can see, it does have the Swarovski on it. Let me get these on right quick. And get out this giant piece of foam. And here we go. So this is the 2017 Swarovski Crystal Society Annual Edition. This piece is the Arcadia Bear. As you can see, which you'll be able to see up closer in the other video that I'm going to show on here as well, is that this piece is actually made with different individual pieces of crystal, being each of the legs are their own piece, then the body's in 3 pieces, and the head is in its own 1 piece, and that's so it gets all fused together, and then you can see the different facets that are on that, and I will definitely be giving more information when we do our up-close video, which we're going to do right now. Alright, so looking at this bear up close and personal, as I did say, this is the SCS Annual Edition 2017, which pays tribute to the bear mother, a strong and powerful yet caring and protective animal executed in crystal with 925 facets. Only 75 away from 1,000. Sorry. The Bear Arcadia sparkles in Sunray, which is a stunning new color of crystal developed to mark the 30th anniversary of the SCS, which reveals a beautiful warmth when the sun shines through it. One of the paws is engraved with the name Arcadia, the Swarovski logo, the swan, as well as the designer Martin Zendrons' initials and the year of issue, which is 2017. I really love how all of the 925 facets that are on this crystal sparkle in the light, especially as it's turning, and even when it's in the display case with the LEDs that I have on all my crystals, is it just really brings in that beautiful light, reflects it, puts some of it in, shows that beautiful, stunning new Sunray color. So this is definitely a pretty piece when it's here in our little display that we have video, as well as in my display case with the rest of my crystals. And here we go, one last look. give a size comparison. As you can see, it is almost the full length of my hand, not only when it's standing, but also when it's laying down. As I did state, it does have that 925 facets. It's each part of the body has an individual crystal that was carved and designed, and then they were all fused together to create this full piece. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but there is the logo, the initials, and the date, as well as the name Arcadia. So I'm going to put this back here in the box for right now. I'd like to thank everyone for coming to my channel, watching what I unbox here, my love of crystals, specifically from my favorite luxury brand, Swarovski. I'd like to give a big shout out to all my family and friends who have wished me a happy birthday today. Thank you so much. Just know that I love you all, and I'm looking forward to when we move back to the mainland, which will be coming up soon, so that way we can celebrate birthdays and holidays all together. Thank you for watching today's unboxing video as we brought out the Swarovski Crystal Society 2017 Annual Edition Arcadia Bear. Please make sure to leave your comments below, like the video, share it with people, as well as subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Brad with Brad Unboxing. Thank you.